Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming fit and fabric. Put the baby in a light onesie, then slide arms into the Halo Sleep sack sleeves while you support the head. Fasten the zipper or snaps from the bottom up so you don't fumble over the neck. This protects airway and keeps the baby secure. Once done, ensure the sack lies flat without bunching. Smooth any folds around the chest. Make sure the neck and arm openings are snug but not constricting. That's how safe sleep begins. Continue by checking closure integrity and fit. Zip the sack fully and engage any zipper guard so it cannot catch skin. Then double-check shoulder snaps or overlapping fabric to prevent slipping. You want the chest snug to limit loose fabric while still allowing diaphragm movement for easy breathing. Once secure, place the baby on their back in the crib and ensure the legs can move into a natural frog position. If the sleep sack rides up, retighten shoulder fit before leaving the room. Finish with a final safety scan before you step away. You should see the baby's face unobstructed and the top edge sitting below the chin. Reorient the sleep sack if fabric is near the face. Make sure the baby's neck and torso feel warm but not sweaty. Adjust layers accordingly. If the sleep sack twists or the zipper comes loose, pick the baby up, recenter them, and refasten securely. A quick troubleshooting tip: if zippers snag, use a gentle tug on fabric.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.